They don't fit the Mini. What is up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, let's get you caught up to speed with what we're doing. So the VTEC Mini needs good brakes. We have good brakes here, ready to rock and roll. Metro 4 pots, fully painted, all new bits and pieces. Need a bit tidy up because I got them dirty, but yeah, new brake lines, new seals, new pads, new discs. Need to grind these down. These are getting ground down. So yeah. Guys, I ordered these from Somerford Minis, not eBay. Somerford Minis in the UK. Yeah, I had to pay customs on them, but it's the only place I could actually get these new, and I really wanted them new because I want them really tidy on the car. So let's get these bad boys open. So these are rattle guards, and they go there like that, and the split pins go underneath them, and they stop the pads from rattling around in the caliper. So yeah, nice and new, nice and tidy. So they'll be going on when the brakes are going on the car. So what's up, guys? It is a new day. I didn't want to put this in the video, but yeah, I'm very disappointed, not only in myself but in the seller that I got these brakes from. They don't fit the Mini. I checked them on the Mini and they don't fit. The holes don't line up. I had to drill out holes for the split pins to go on the Metro 4 pot pads. So yeah, I got bogey brakes and I'm after spending a bit of money on them. Like I paid roughly about 250 to 300 euro to get the actual calipers and stuff. Now I do have good discs, good flanges, all new bolts, all new lines, new pads. So I'm on my way out to pick up a set of Metro 4 pot calipers that I have to spend yet more money on. Also had to contact Ray in Galway Mini Centre to get a new pistons, to get a new seal kit, new pistons, new everything for these brakes that I'm gonna now have to get sandblasted, paint them and rebuild them. So back to square one. Absolute, you can see the pain in my eyes. We're just, anyhow, let's go get these calipers and get over to me mate Andy, the mechanic, and get them sandblasted, painted and rebuilt. Let's go. So let's get these bad boys out onto the table. Now let's blast these apart and get them all into individual pieces. Now that's the calipers taken off the hubs. I also took these bolts that go into the flange, so I no longer need to use these anymore, so I'm going to whip them out and put these in. So next thing to do is just bring these down to Andy, get them sandblasted, painted with the gold again, and new seals and pistons. So guys, Andy's been busy the past few nights, so we're just gonna head to my welding course, show you what I've been doing. I've been doing some aluminium welding that actually turned out really sweet, stacking them dimes, and we're gonna get on to some more stainless. I want to top my skills up on that because I done it the other night and it wasn't great. So I really need to like step up my game on the stainless. So I think the aluminium is a bit easier to do than the stainless steel TIGging. So yeah, we're gonna do some stainless steel TIGging, try and get it all one natural color flowing. The instructor was saying that's too shiny and too small, so I need to make my welds a bit bigger. So yeah, let's get to the classroom, get some TIGging done, get some sweet stainless steel done, and see if I can make them welds a bit bigger and nicer. So let's go. what is up, guys? It's been a hectic 2 or 3 weeks. I've gotten absolutely nothing done. They say time spent with your friends is time well spent, but I really need to get the finger out and get a go on this garage and these brakes. I need to get the car ready for a car show next month that we're going to. Just so much to do. I want to get this garage done before the summer, hopefully. And yeah, we just have to move on. Also, children, pregnant wife, events, children, wife, cars. Yeah, very busy, but let's get a move on. I'll show you what we're gonna work on next. So these all need to go over to Andy just to get blasted. I'm gonna get him to do all these bits, as they are great to have as spares, because it's very hard to come across these bits and pieces every now and then, like, so it's good to have spare flanges, spare hubs. I'm actually gonna get these blasted and going to just paint them silver, and then I'm gonna order new top and bottom ball joints, new bearings, and then everything will be good for them. They will be spares to the Mini. I'm gonna drop these over to Andy anyway, get them blasted. And then, so yeah, I'm still awaiting 4 of the pistons from Ray in Galway Mini Centre. Once I get them, I can get either Andy or my brother to rebuild the calipers themselves. Then we can get the new pads in, the new rattle guards, the new lions, and then we can fit them to the Mini with the new discs and the new flanges and get the car rolling. So yeah, a few bits and pieces to do. Get the calipers over to Andy, get them blasted, get them painted, and then get either Andy or my brother, depending on who's busy and who's not busy, to rebuild them, because I just don't want to do it myself. Last time I done it, I absolutely messed the calipers up and had to do them again. So everything is getting changed on them. New seals, new rings, new pistons, new lions, new everything. You've seen them all in the last video. So yeah, them other calipers are going in the bin and they're never going to be used. So yeah, let's get all this stuff bagged up and over to Andy for sandblasting. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, give the video a big thumbs up, and yeah, hopefully in the next video we get some more welding done and we get the brakes done, painted, rebuilt, and on the Mini, get the Mini down off axle stands and have it driving again. It does need a few bits and pieces for the show. I'm going to wash it and polish it and put stickers over the little bits of rust that need to be done, but I'm just going to put a little sticker on it and say I identify as green paint. So it just needs some touch-ups. Like, it's 6 years since I finished the car and I've been driving it a lot. So yeah, I'm going to get some welding done, obviously, on the garage in the next video as well. So yeah, I hope you're hanging on there, guys. It's a long journey. I'm trying to get it all done. It's very hard being a daddy with a wife and a house to run and cars and children and school, and yeah, busy. But yeah, we're going to rock on. I'm going to get a bit done this week. It's hard to get anything done with the weather as well in Ireland. It's fairly shocking, like. So yeah, peace out, guys. Appreciate you watching. Make sure you subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and yeah, see you in the next one. Peace out and be dedicated.